Analyze on-page SEO issues. Improve your on-page SEO. Do you make use of all the on-page elements to make your content stand out to search engines? Many pages neglect using important meta elements or misuse them. On-page errors in HTML and links can send negative signals to search engines and are time-consuming to find. Elite Site Optimizer automates the process so that you can spend more time on content and SEO strategy. The On-Page SEO Analysis tool crawls your website for common SEO issues. Missing, duplicated, or invalid tags can be identified in bulk and organized so that you can fix issues by page, issue type, or biggest priority. Fixing on-page issues. Check whether the important metadata used by individuals and search engines, such as titles and meta descriptions, are available and unique for each different page. Ensure that headings are used with a 1H1 tag per page. Confirm that the canonical tag is used on a single page to designate it as the canonical version so that other versions of the page are not indexed by search engines. Check whether any pages are unintentionally set to deny indexing by search engine bots. Analyzing on-page issues is a major part of running a site audit to improve your SEO. On-page issues can impact your search engine ranking or cause potential customers to have problems navigating your website, making it important to find and fix them as efficiently as possible. Get reports about SEO issues and extract any report to a CSV file to share with your development team for fixing on-page issues. Competitor analysis. You can run competitor analysis on the other domains to learn from their metadata strategies and see if you have opportunities to surpass their sites in quality. Run regression analysis to compare your live site with a new version in development to guarantee that your new site doesn't come with new issues to fix. You can run the analysis even if your site is in testing and not publicly accessible. Get a regular weekly report of your overall SEO health based on the quality of your SEO elements and address your on-page issues as they're found. Or request an instant site audit for on-page issues. Elite Site Optimizer is the answer to detect a wide variety of on-page issues. Address them quickly so that you can focus on providing the personal touch to your site's visitors. Contact us now to start optimizing your web pages for on-page SEO. You can try it yourself and see the results on your website. Get a free website audit report. Email sales@elitesiteoptimizer.com or call us at 732-307-2655.